Here's the pros and cons of working in-house and field service, doing field service for an OEM. I recently purchased a refurb generator for this portable and at a quarter of a price. However, if you were a field service OEM and you had a full service contract with the hospital, you get the latest and greatest, the updated version, software, it's all included. You don't have to worry about doing a cost analysis. How can you save the hospital money and still maximize patient safety? So if you like doing that end of stuff where like you want to crunch numbers, in-house is fun. You need to call people, vendors, figure out how to get this machine up and working. um, Saving the hospital money looks good on you, and this also can lead to potentially promotion on working with capital equipment. And then you have the biomed background, so that helps a lot too. Whereas field service with the OEM, you just slap on whatever full service contract. I mean, you have all the money in the world. You get the backing of the OEM; they back you up. Uh, yeah, that's fun. I mean, if you just want to do that and not worry about cost or looking at prices, that's a great way. There's travel. In house, if you like having a little bit more freedom, autonomy, and figuring out what's going to work best for your machine, and that you potentially own it, you have ownership on it. In house is pretty fun. So this one's bad. It's a very old generator, and I did not want to individually replace parts and just keep tinkering with it over time, just because it has been failing a lot. Not in the same spot, but in other areas. So I was able to find that refurb model, great condition, and it's the exact same model as this. So I'm gonna replace it, do all the software stuff, make sure all the field change orders were done on that refurb. I did work for the OEM, so I do know what needs to be done. So yeah, wish me luck.